Hey guys, my name is Akari, I'm an online entrepreneur, and in this video, I want to talk about the business model that has been responsible for making me the most amount of money. So, I was speaking to a friend the other day, and I asked him a very simple question. I said, would you rather have a $100,000 Rolex on your wrist, but work your same 9 to 5 job, or leave your 9 to 5, have $100,000 in cash, and be able to travel the world, have the freedom, basically? And he chose the watch, which blows my mind. But that got me thinking. I was like, most people don't really understand the power of an online business that can print their money month after month. They'd sacrifice their freedom for short term status. So, like, the right business model can provide you not only with money, but your time as well. So that's why in this video, I'm going to break down the business model that I chose and that I believe is the best, and why it's so profitable, and why I'd personally choose it over any material item, even a Ferrari. So the online business model is a high ticket offer, a high ticket business. This is basically a digital high ticket service which you can charge a premium anywhere from 3 to 5, even upwards of $10,000 for your service, where you're basically solving a pain point for a customer. So what could this be? This could be either helping them get into phenomenal shape. It could be helping them solve a relationship. It could help them stop drinking alcohol. It could teach a business how to run ads. There's many different examples, but it's essentially an offer which solves a pain point for a specific niche. So for me, what I did is I actually partnered up with my business partner, and we started a business coaching program. This was essentially like a community. So we had a couple hundred people in there, and we had different topics and different business models that they could go and pursue. And me and my business partner helped them and coached them over a period of 12 weeks and got them launch their business up. And we even had people quit their job, which was very cool to see, because we provided them with a game plan, also coaching calls every week, so that we made sure they stayed on track. So they basically had everything they needed to escape their 9 to 5 and start making their first online dollars. So this was the high-tech offer that me and my business partner pursued, and we were solving the problem of money. So there are three big niche categories. There's health, so this could be fitness, like alcohol, quitting like smoking, anything like that. Then you have wealth. So wealth was the niche I was in, was how to make more money. This could even be how to save more money, because that's a big problem for some people. They don't know how to manage money. And then the last one is relationships. So even relationships cover like dating, so how to find the right spouse, or it could even be how to fix your marriage, things like this. So what I'd recommend to you, if you want to start your own high-ticket business, is you want to first look at the three major categories: health, wealth, relationships. Choose one, and then once you know which one it is, go a step deeper and be like, okay, so say for example you choose relationships. Okay, so what problem in the relationships niche do you want to solve? Do you want to help guys gain confidence to speak to more women? Now that is an excellent sub niche, because that's a problem many guys are facing, and you're coming in, and well, of course you have to have the authority and experience and testimonials to be able to offer that service. But you're coming in and you're solving that pain point for that specific niche. Now, if you start making content and putting it on different social media channels, start interacting with people, start reaching out and seeing if they'd be interested in this program, it's just a matter of time till you get a client, as long as you're targeting the right person, the right niche. So that's essentially what it is. You are identifying a niche, you are providing them with a solution, and then charging a premium for it. Now, I want to talk about some of the benefits that I've personally experienced since I've started this business. Obviously, freedom is the biggest, and I'm sure that's why most of you want to start an online business and scale it because you want that freedom. You want to leave your 9 to 5, you want to live life on your terms, you want to travel to any country you want, work from wherever you want. And this is something this business model can provide you, and it has done for me. Not only that, but the profit margins are extremely high. Because this is a digital service, there's no physical costs like drop shipping, like you don't have to store your inventory in any warehouse. It's in your brain. Like once you can learn a skill and be able to teach it to someone, you're essentially turning the knowledge you have in your brain into cash in your bank. And that's why I believe this is the superior business model, because it's really like no money up front. Like you can start this with no money and you can grow it to 6 figures per month. And I know that because I've done that. So I'd highly recommend you look more into high ticket, and definitely subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting more videos about how to start your own high ticket business. I actually posted one last week, so you can go and check that one out. It's like a 30-minute tutorial with 7 different steps. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share with you why I believe this is the best business model to start. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.